Hello, Dorothy here at Done by Dorothy, and we're here today to share with you a flip through of our Christmas journal along that we did. So I wanted to come through and do a flip through so you could see what we created for this journal for the 2 weeks of November, I guess I should say. And so we will start. It is a 6 by 9 inch cover and a 2 inch spine. So this is what the back looks like. It has a little label on there where you can put the year journal or write, maybe put a family picture for the year, whatever you want. Very clean spine. And at the front, it's got this sorry ribbon closure. This is our cover, and again, it's a little label where you can put whatever you want. Maybe the year on here, and your family name with the family picture on the back. All the little kids playing, which I absolutely love. This is vintage lace around the outside edges, so we'll go in the cover. And here we have 2 pockets, and there's just stuffed full of little goodies of different ephemera from the kit. A little writing piece of paper, and again, just this kit was a kit from the Junk Journal Studio. Now it is just 2 signatures, and it's a 2-inch spine, but the signatures are pretty fluffy. So, and I actually have them tied with ribbon, sort of to tie them closed. That's something, you don't have to do. That was just something I chose to do. And these digitals are really beautiful. It's just some tickets, little ephemera pieces, a little pocket, vintage hanky, coffee dyed paper, a vintage page out of a it was out of a Christmas catalog from Christmas magazine from 1932. Little label, doily, again, one of the circle spots. This is a page out of a Frosty the Snowman book, a vintage book. This is a paper clip, obviously. This is a flip. The flip app actually opens up, and you can journal on the inside of the flip. There's the other side. And it just lays over top of the page like this. And a paper clip holds it in. Has a bingo card and a doily. This is a Christmas Santa Claus shaker. And it has a journaling spot on the back, as well as on a vintage ledger page. One of the pretty faux Christmas bulb. There's a Christmas recipe card. This is some vintage Christmas gift wrap. Some vintage music and a circle. Again, a coffee dyed a coffee dyed coffee filter. Again, this is a page out of a vintage Christmas book. These beautiful pictures. And a little green doily, some lace. Just some Christmas. It's almost like wrapping paper, but it was actually Christmas scrapbooking paper from probably 20 years ago. There is a mini journal in here, and it's got pages as well as little mini pages in it. So lots of little things there, and they're just tied with ribbon, so you can pull the pages out and use them as you need, or write in it as a journal and leave it the way it is. The Holly and Fur Christmas sheet music. It's vintage. I have not, there will be charms on here. I haven't put the charms in here because I sort of like to leave those on there as a surprise. Okay, this is the middle insert, and let me sort of scoot this over. This actually folds out like this. So you get that. And the page, lots of journaling spots. Then it unfolds this way, so you can see the back of it, and it's got vintage sheet music. Lots of tags and things. Again, this insert over here. This is an envelope that opens up, and there's some tags in here. Some paper folded up in there just for journaling. Then this envelope just clips behind this little tab there. This was over, and there's a journaling spot there with lots of layering. vintage sheet music. It's just a piece of coffee dyed paper with some sari silk, little vintage images. Love the little choir people with little vintage music. Postcard, and it's just slid behind a tuck right there. Again, here's that back of the sheet music. Here's a tag. This is a 3D tag, and it's just got in there, and then a couple pieces of Holly candy cane notebook paper. And I apologize if you heard the phone ring. That's one of those things that happen. And then this is a tuck spot, and it's got this gorgeous little cardinal greeting card in there. And there's a Christmas journal books belongs. Again, this is one of those vintage Christmas page books. Here's another sort of a tuck over top of the page, and it is an envelope. It's a cute little Christmas elves, and then it's got some vintage tags, or vintage, some Christmas tags in there. And that just lays over the page like that and clips in right like that. And again, there's another page with another recipe card for there. Again, a small angel. That vintage ledger page with silver doily. And again, that frosty page. Again, there's that vintage book page. There's a tag with a tuck on the back, and then there's a little ephemera and the tag on the back. And a little Santa tag over there. Again, that gorgeous hanky. And I love how it hangs out the end. I love the designs on it. And I've left it on there where I was going to make them pockets, and I decided to leave them because some people may want them just flapping like that. Other people may want them as pockets. And again, there's that page. And then we're going into our back signature. There are 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, let's say 18, 36 between like the digital images or the pages, 36 pages plus all the extras tacked in. And that's the same for both of them. And then let me do this one if I can get there. It went. And then there's this signature, and I love that with a card on it. It's so pretty. And again, a little flower thing. Santa Claus is coming to town. There's some of a vintage sheet music page out of that magazine. This was The Little Rascals Christmas from like 1952 that I found in a magazine. Again, a tag that's just stuck up there. Love the little vintage images. Little handkerchief. Gift page that folds open so you have some journaling area. Another digital sheet. I loved this Christmas image out of a magazine, so tucked it in there. And there's a Frosty page. There's Frosty. There's the doily and a little tuck card. And again, there's another little shaker, Christmas market shaker card. And it's got little tuck. These come out so you can use them somewhere else in the journal, as well as you flip it over and both of these come out. And there's a little journaling spot on there. If I can get this in here. There we go. Like that. Cute little thing. When Winter Comes, which I thought was really cute, I found in a thing. And there's vintage sheet music. There's a little paper clip. And again, another little flip you can journal on the inside. And it's got decorated on both sides, which I love because you get like this on the one side, which makes it sort of really cool. And then you can flip over to the other side and you have the other side. Is that a gift wrapping pocket as well as a little pull out that you can journal on. There's the little gift card. This is a little tuck, and it's got some more of that paper in there so you can write on it. Folds open, and there's Santa. And again, this is a little notebook of just sheet music and coffee dyed paper and different little strips of the pretty papers that are in this kit tucked in there. So if you want to use them throughout, you know, as you're journaling or whatever. A little label that flips over, and well, it actually flips out like this. So you can see all of these sides. And then it flips over to this side and that and that. So you sort of get a nice little combo there. Another little pocket, and I haven't put anything in those. I like filling the pockets as surprises. There's another little tuck, but I'm not actually using it. There's another one of those little mini journals in there. That one actually has a doily in it. I've seen that. Vintage Christmas page. Coffee dyed page, and a little Christmas bob. Again, that ledger page. It's got a little flip out pocket. A little naughty or nice tag in it, and it flips out. Again, another little vintage frosty page. And these are from like, they're not vintage, they're from like 1958, I believe. Some more of that wrapping paper. Again, there's a paper clip holding that tag in. You got Santa, and you've got some little tags in his little bag back here. And this has a jingle bell and a bunch of little ribbons and such on there. Put that in there. There we go. And there's that handkerchief, and there is a piece of lace tucked in there. And I'll probably tuck some more lace in there, like this kind of lace, in case you want to use it elsewhere. This has some little tags on there, cute little tags. It opens up, and inside is a little tag. It's got some more tags in it. A tag that has some more tags in it. So there's those. And then that's the other side has a sweater and the compliments of the season. And that folds down, and these little tags that go in here hold that closed. Just busy day, guys. Another little tag and some more of those the little peppermint pages to write on tucked behind there. More coffee dyed paper. There's another little tuck with a little cute little snowman tag. There's that other side of the Little Rascals page with a Christmas story from 1932 in it. Again, a couple other recipe cards, because, you know, Christmas, we like to cook. The little Miss Winter card. And then the back. And then back here, I've tucked some more of those peppermint writing pages on. And there's a little tag spot right there. So that is it. So that was our journal along we did. And I tied those up earlier when I was putting the signatures in, and I didn't take them out, but normally I wouldn't have those in there. So yeah, so it is a total of, let's see, 36 pages. Is that what I said? Yeah, 36, so 72 pages front and back, as far as like the printables, as well as the coffee dyed pages. Now there's lots of other pages and things in there. And it's 2 signatures, 6x9 with a 2-inch spine. So I hope you enjoyed our little journey through our Christmas journal along, our Christmas journal. And I will be listing this in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested, it'll be in there probably, today is December 1st. So I will probably have it listed and in the shop December 2nd. So have a great day, and we will see you again next time. Take care. Bye.